Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn about one of the most important Excel function, that is filter function. I mean not this filter, I mean to say. Where is it? Not this filter, not this one. I mean to say we will be learning this one equal to filter. We are talking about this filter, right? So wait. Yeah. So the thing is, unlike normal filter button that I have shown you here, normal filter button, this function lets you extract data dynamically using formulas. So by the end of this video, you will know how to filter rows based on text, numbers, dates, and even multiple condition, and all within just using a single and simple formula. ठीक. So that is the thing, and why it is showing like this. Yeah, the thing is, we will work our all the practical work for this video in this sample data. This sample data will be given to you through the Google Drive link, which will be there in the description box, and it is nothing just and simple employee data set with department and salary. So let's start with the syntax, the formula look alike, like how the formula looks. That's the thing. So equal to, you have to write filter, open parenthesis, and inside this we will have three things: array, include, and if empty. If empty. So in array, what we have to write, the range of the data that you want to filter. Array wala range means how it will be like F2 to make sure the range you want to filter, F2 से लेके H13, like this. Array, the range of the data that you want to filter, that's it. Then comes include. What is include? Include is the condition you want to apply. Suppose you want to apply a condition in salary, so in this what range will come? H7 to H13. ठीक है. In this range you will write H7 to H13 greater than, suppose, 40,000. So what will happen, the condition will execute and it will give you the data whose salary is greater than 40,000. So this is nothing but the condition that you want to apply. Last but not the least comes if empty. ठीक है. If empty means it, and it is optional, let me tell you again. If empty means it will display if nothing matches, means here you can write messages like no record found, no data included, data not found, like this kind of message you can write, and it is optional. If you want, you can leave this thing empty. If you want, you can add some kind of what we say message. Suppose in this salary only you will say more than 61,000. As we know, 60,000 is the highest. Suppose if I write more than 61,000, it will give no data. Like when you execute this formula, it will give you no data. Why? Because there is no one, no employee name is there whose salary is greater than 61,000. So it will give you a simple message that is nothing but whatever message you have written, that's it. Close parenthesis, enter. That's the thing. So this is the syntax that we will be working on. Oops. This is the syntax that we will be working on. And now let's move to the practical part. Suppose I give you a condition or a kind of opinion or condition, like suppose condition, we want only employees from IT department. ठीक है. That's the thing. So what you will write here? Let's write only IT department employees. ठीक है. Okay, right now let's look at the syntax and let's write the command. I mean, let's give the command. So we will have equal to filter. Here also we get option to select your wish. If you want, you can select. If not, no worries. So open parenthesis. First we have to select the array from where, I mean, array is the range of data from where you want to filter. So we want to filter from this data. Selected. Done. Now comes include. Include means the condition you want to apply. I mean, what condition you want to apply. Like in this scenario, we want to apply that the department should be IT. So condition is IT. So let me ask you one thing. In which array is the department details given? Okay. You will say, yeah, in the department column. So department column array should be from G7 to G13. Okay. Equal to IT. You have to give this as well, equal to IT. Otherwise it will be like you have selected the range but not given any condition. So this is the condition, G7 to G13 equal to IT. Simple. Enter. That's it. We have received the data. See how many IT people are there, 1, 2 and 3, and here we have received 1, 2 and 3. Simple. No need to take care of any kind of this button or something. Just write the formula, give the condition, you got it. Simple as that. No worries. Okay. This is just one of the condition, I mean one of the example. Now let's move to the second part, that is filtering numbers. Okay. Let's filter number, or let's filter salary. Okay. Salary greater than 35,000. ठीक. Let's go with it. Let's see what data do we get from this. So same, equal to filter. You can select here, open parenthesis. This will be the range of the cell you want to perform the condition. Then you have to write include, and in this what condition we have? We have salary greater than 35k. So we have to select the salary column. Salary column we have here greater than 35k, like this. Simple. And it is number, so no need to put the quotation mark. Put enter. You have received the data. What data we have received? See, everything which is more than 35, although we have this Meena as HR with 35,000, it won't show because that is equal to 35,000, not greater than 35,000, right? That is the thing we need to check out, first thing first. So that is what it is all about. And now let's see some condition where multiple, I mean, let's see something where multiple condition is given. Multiple condition in what sense? In sense of, suppose department is IT and salary is more than 35k. Let's put this two condition in one. Okay. So we'll write multiple condition. Multiple condition. Yeah. So let's see how do we execute it. Simple. Let me check once. Yeah, everything is good. Everything is good. So in this we'll write equal to filter, open parenthesis will be given, and in open parenthesis you have to give the array which we want to select. So given array. Simple. Right now we have to give two condition. So in two condition what we have to do, like as I have told you, like when we want employees in IT and salary greater than 35,000, we use AND condition written as asterisk. Okay. AND condition we have to give, but it will be in a asterisk format. So first condition will be IT department, department should be IT. So department column selected equal to IT. So ठीक है. close parenthesis. Then we have to write and, like you have seen in my SQL and Python videos we used to write and, but here we have to give asterisk. Okay, asterisk sign. Then one more parenthesis. Let me just check everything's good. Yeah, one more parenthesis. Yeah, sorry, one more, I mean after asterisk one more parenthesis, and let's give the second condition, that is salary part. So salary is selected, salary column I mean to say. Then let's give 35k close parenthesis. Take, that's it. And when we execute this, let's see what do we get. We get an calculation error. Do you know why? I have given equal to 35,000 by mistake. You have to give greater than. ठीक? And let's enter and see what do we get. When we have clicked enter, we have received those data which is greater than 35,000 also in IT department. Like people are also in IT department. Suppose let's give this as 40,000. I have given, changed the thing here. I have given 40,000 instead of 35. See, we have got only two data in this. This is the beauty of filter. ठीक है? Like we have given multiple condition as well. Right now we will see one more thing for filter, giving that message one. I mean this if null ka message. Let's see what output do we get and what things do we need to see. Do we get an error like hashtag calculation or hashtag any kind of thing? Let's see. We will give a custom message scenario. ठीक है? Let's see what thing do we receive here. Yeah. So we will do something. We will write filter and we will say कि we want those employees whose salary is greater than 60k. Let's write this. So filter, this is the array. Now the salary column where greater than 60,000. ठीक है? And then we will write a message not found. ठीक है? Close parenthesis. Let's see what do we get when we click enter. We have got not found. Do you know why? Because here the greatest is 60,000. That's why. So that is how custom message works in equal to the, I mean this filter function. ठीक है? This is the beauty of filter. Let me tell you that. Filter in Excel, let me tell you that as well. So this function is like the results are very dynamic. If your data changes, the filter list updates automatically. That is the thing. Let me show you one more thing. This is the data. Let's add something else, or let's update this data as 60. They told we have given 61,000. Let's write 62,000 and click enter and let's see what do we get. See, when I've changed this data to 62,000, we got the output. Let's do one more thing. Let's write this as 80,000 and let's see do we get this data as well. See, we have we got it updated in both section, in this as well, whose salary is greater than 35, this as well as this. So it is very dynamic. Whenever you change anything in your data, it also updates automatically. So this make it perfect for dashboard reporting as well as automation. And that's the complete guide to the filter function in Excel. Now you know how to use filter by text, number, data, multiple condition, XYZ using one formula, that is filter. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Excel tips, and let me know in comment what function you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the project video. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy learning.